better. The new one is better. I don't know who sing that song.
No, there's not. You can take my eyes off you.
Ayun o, Tommy, ano yung solo?
Are you Canada? That's love.
Yung version, sulat mo ah. Shawn Mendes ba?
Baby.
No, that's the old one. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, for the lonely nights, my love you, baby. But with you when I say, I need you, baby. Woo!
You, baby, love me, love you.
You're still good to me.
Yeah, Lady Gaga, I always remember.
So when close your eyes,
When I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. It hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I always remember us this way.
We always sing this in karaoke. We have karaoke house.
And the whole won't play. I always remember us this way. Yeah, we're so happy.
shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, when rivers are shallow now.
This is hard.
And what is it? In the
Kapag banala, sayang.
What's the
Can't take my eyes off you.
singer?
Frankie Valli.
Okay. That one?
Yeah.
So guys, we are here now in this lake here in Mystic, Connecticut. Yeah guys, so there you go. Bye. Okay guys, so we are here in Old Mystic. But there you go, this one is Mystic Network.
Ang ganda, oh.
I know, this is
There you go. Oh, there. Welcome Mystic Village. Always in season, okay. Holistic in Mystic. Here is cinemas. This is Christmas. No, mystical Christmas. A peanut butter over there. Wow. Sophia, mystical Christmas. There you go. Sophia, mystical Christmas. The name of my granddaughter, Sophia Elris. Charot, ang gaganda. Oh, that one is Santa Mail. Hi, Sophia, Mystic Christmas. We are here in all the Mystic. Ano ba yan? All the Mystic Connecticut. We are here, guys. This is a very famous. You can search, guys. Mystic Connecticut. There you go. Extra virgin flavors. Alright.
Let's go.
Kitsch.
I don't know.
On the front, they have also there. I saw it some kitchens and restaurants there. Look at the old houses there. Lynn, this is Franklin's General Store. Lynn, Mystic Connecticut. There you go. This is the souvenirs. Franklin's General Store, New England Wares, Feud's Kitchen, Vermont cheese.
Rail thing. She can twist my hand this time.
Wow, so quite big. Wow, so cute. Hi, cutie dog. Okay, here is Boardwalk, Seaside Food and Gives. Second picture. Okay, cut, darling. Later on, we cannot find you. Oh, birds.
Where are we going? Saan tayo?
It's almost like you get a little. Oh,
Picture ka lang natin, Bernang, oh. Yakun natin mo tagka.
Oo, nakay Maremalin. Ay, hindi, nasunog yata.
Ah.
okay.
Where are
do
we
you guys wanna eat?
going? It's okay. It's your,
What do you want to eat?
The oldest Mystic Village.
it's your choice.
You know what? You say my old. You said that we have good pasta here. Ano, pizza here.
Yeah, they have a good pizza here.
Yeah, you said so. They have specialties here like pizza. Mm.
Oh my.
Wow, smell good. Okay, we having a relax first here.
I know.
Okay, just first take a relax. Oh, we have this one in the house. Oh, in our old house. Oh, this one we have there in the house. Oh, we hang in the kitchen. Remember? Janelle, no? So this is the souvenir shop. So this one is jewelries, guys. Is it this one have carat? No, it's only for fashion.
So there's sterling. A lot of them are sterling silver.
Okay, sterling silver.
Brass with moonstone.
Can I see this one? That one with stone?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. What is this stone? Is a gemstone?
Moonstone.
How much it will cost?
37.
37 US dollar.
This is size 9, and that one's probably size 8.
Oh, size 9, quite big. My size is only 4 and a half.
I'm really small too.
Yeah, same your hand. Oh, this one is seeing eye. It's like devil eye. Yeah, exactly. See? Glass evil eye is $6.
Oh, that's lavender, right? That's lavender.
How much it will cost the lavender?
The lavender is 21.
21. Okay, thank you.
No problem. Yeah, that's how lavender's supposed to smell. Literally, yes. Because when I go.
Yeah, I have that. I bought in Paris. Yeah, but it's big. I have that. I bought in Paris. Yeah. Okay, make it clink, clink, clink ice cream. Karen, I bring some of this. It's in the luggage. I will give you. Yeah, I bring 2 pieces. So you buy that one now? Alright, that's good. You pay cash or Visa card? Cash, better.
Alrighty, our total is going to be $13.83. Thank you so much. There you are.
Thank you. Yeah. Guys. That's one, mango, wood fried and pizza. Huh?
Bernese Mountain Dog.
Barney's Malted.
Swiss.
From Swiss. Wow, cutie cutie. You are 2 years old but too big. They have a name?
This is Max.
Max?
Benny.
Maggie. Hi, sorry darling. Hi Max, you're so cute. Max and Maggie. Yeah, hi. Hello. Wow, it's so nice a feather. Wow, lovely. So cute.
Oh, you are so sweet. You're so fluffy. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how you guys can keep up the
We are in Mango Wood Fried Pizza here in Old Mystic, Connecticut. So this is the pizza. Okay, bruschetta, charred bag, Mango House. So we are in the Mango House Pizza here in Mystic, Connecticut.
I wonder, is this per slice or per
Okay. Mango mozzarella pie.
Buffalo or barbecue for those?
Oh, barbecue.
Any ranch or blue cheese?
Yeah, this ranch.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it.
So guys, we are here in Mango's Wood Fired Pizza here in all the Mystic, Connecticut. Okay, so just starter, buffalo chicken, ganyan lang. Okay, mukha mo to rin na gitna. Wow. So big, large.
Connecticut have the good pizza in US. I don't know. How many followers do you have already in YouTube channel? Last night. We got earrings. I can taste goat cheese.
Beautiful. are here now in the souvenirs area here in Mystic, Connecticut. Wow, this is all my favorite, guys. Word, Ear, Rare, Viking, and then this is the Brown, Tear, Odin, Canon, Mimir. Okay, so we are here now in the Mystic, Connecticut Glass Jewelry. And fresh chocolate stem. Okay. We are going here, Munchen Chocolates here in Mystic, Connecticut. Oh, so too. I have already that. We buy in Canada. Oh, pretzel rolls, marshmallow, frozen bananas. So we're here in the chocolate factory in Mystic, Connecticut. Wow, so big chocolate peanut and butter fudge. This one is chocolate, not fudge. Buy this bear, Mary Meyer, for a souvenir. This one is like M&M. This is dark raisins, milled raisins, dark malted balls, mix balls, bridge. This look like M&M chocolate.
Take a video. Cut. Cut.
Oh, did you want to go in the...
Crest and compass.
Oh, it's a candle shop. Okay, I'm going there.
This is a modern heritage collective. Crest and compass. Historical sports on-site engraving. Wow, look at this dragon. Is 2 feet.
Lagyo, gitam,
Yeah.
dragon. Apa mo na?
Lucky one dragon. Wow, all this one is dragon book.
Okay na?
Beef jerky. Wild and exotic. Okay, bye, Mystic, Connecticut.